with Be Clean Professionals. As you can see, we're at one of our centers here that we service quarterly. So we're going to only here to do the toddler and the infant room. And I've known this for quite some time. I think the infant's room's right over here. Of course, you like what you see, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe. Most people are like, why are you doing all your videos? Always see you in your videos. Well, that's because I like them to be filmed the way I like to get them done here. Looks like this is the infant room, and so we don't have to do this one. We'll take a picture for the gram. And for the people that hired us, because obviously we can't clean that room. So next is the toddler room. I know that's preschool. Like I said, we've been doing this for a while. So let's come over here. Hey, take a look at the little gerbils. Little hamsters. Hey, guy. Theodore. I think his name is. We'll see. And that's still for Discovery Preschool. I think this is the toddlers. It's the nursery. Well, this is an infant, so we're going to do this rug here. I have an infant in here. And here, I believe, is the toddlers. Yeah, this is the toddler area here. So I'm going to be doing these carpets here. I'll get my head out. Let's see the kids there. The faces. All right, and this here, and the rest of these three. All right, so stick tuned. And bye for now. All right, so we got our stuff ready here. Whoops. Forgot to put the battery in. All right, I sprayed the floor and finally back here. As you see, we're using the Auric Orbiter. You can see already how bright it's getting. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, that's not a that's like permanently stained. It's like bleached or something in the carpet. I'm gonna double check here because I need a cloth rag. These are some new stains. We never had this in here before. I think somebody spilled some on it, but I'm not getting the reaction that I want. It's already wet. The floor is, the ground's still wet. Our carpet, we gotta see what's going on. I gotta come out here. Excuse me. You ever walk outside and think your van's going or something? You're like, hey, no, I parked here. It's not there. Cool. So I'm gonna have a cleaner rag in here. I don't see it. Let's see if I can find this other one. Put this up front. Here we go. Cool. Clean rag. Little terry cloth, nothing special. But see, this is where I did like a stain test. So what we're going to do is we're going to see how this thing works. Give me a second. All right, so we're going to see how the stain reacts here. This is the goal. We're going to see if these are permanent stains or if there's just something we can get up off of here. So that's what we're looking for. There. Make sure this is still wet. It's still wet, right? Let's take the rag. No color transfer, okay? There's no color transfer on there. That's fine. That's how we know it's a permanent stain. It's a dye. No color transfer here. Still wet. No color transfer. All right. So we know these are permanent stains. It's nothing against our cleaner or what we're using. So that's the way we tell. Now, if it had like some blue on there or brown or whatever the color that stain is, then I would be concerned, but I'm not concerned. I already did pre-spray the carpet already, but just to make sure it's still a little moist, we're going to continue going. Now, of course, we're using our piece cleaner. It's safe for kids and pets, all right? So that's a good thing. And most people are like, where's the dirt going, okay? Well, let me tell you something. I grew up in the 90s. We had Nokia phones. We had the Razr phone, right? We went from the Nokia playing Snake to Razr, where we got a color screen, can go on the internet a little bit. And then after that, we just started having iPhones that didn't have any buttons at all. All right, just a screen. Okay, I had the one thumb button. All right, so now what I'm telling you is just like technology and electronics advances, the technology and carpet cleaning advances too. This cleaner took me about 3 years to perfect, and it does an amazing job. What it does is it emulsifies the dirt, turning it or disintegrating it into a liquid, and it's getting absorbed inside the pad. This is the same stuff that I use inside my home. I've been using this formula for over a year and a half now. Actually about 2 years now, and have no results, zero callbacks. Okay. The only thing that's people call back for is like, I don't think it's as clean because you didn't use any hoses. And the reason why is because, well, first of all, if you look at this floor, if I do some steam on here, it's going to get super wet. It's going to be underneath the carpet. Then if the right person doesn't pick it up, it's going to build up moisture. You get mildew and it starts to smell. All right. This is way better. It's dry. It's encapsulated. As long as they continue to vacuum and stuff, it's going to be clean. Safe for kids and pets. I mean, come on. What else do we want to know? All right. So, hopping over to the next room. Stay tuned. Hey Siri, make 4 p.m. alarm, make 4 p.m. alarm, order more rags. All right, you guys can see there's a little stain here, so I'm gonna work it. Look at that, see? This one was already sprayed. Still wet. If it's wet, it's working. We got the WW, right? Wet and working, right? I don't like anything dry. I don't like my barbecue dry. I don't like my French fries dry. All right, look at that. Doo-doo. Station putting out fire right now, baby. Look at that. Looks great. All right, that's it. We are all finished. We got that rug done, this rug done here, that one over there, these in here, and then also the infant. All right, if you like what you see, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe. Please put in the comments if there's any way I can improve my videos. I would greatly appreciate it. I want to make sure I'm making some good content for you guys. Talk to you soon. I always like to show here in our video that our logo does have a meaning. If you've seen the video in the beginning, the dove brings it back. Olive branch represents peace and also a new beginning. The carpet wand is actually what I started with 5 years ago. So you got your carpet wand and your peace symbol. So every time we're cleaning someone's home, we're coming in your home with peace, all right? We're giving you a peace of mind. You don't know us, we don't know you, but we're coming in there representing peace and give you some fresh new beginnings.